Can I do a whole vlog on the GoPro 9? Managed to already forget the GoPro, so I've cycled to the Vert ramp and back. So it's a nice 20-minute cycle. Instagram. Next one. Same tune. Is it going to be another one? No, but it's definitely sunny. Definitely sunny today. Got to water the plant. Oh. Let's try again, shall we? Hello, this is Rob Ayton from the future. I've just realised that I'm editing and I've missed out a whole precursor to this video blog. I'm going to the Vert ramp and I'm meeting up with George and Lola to have a little Vert session. So, I suck at making blogs and I apologise. How's it going?
Not too bad, yeah?
Yeah, not bad, man.
What the hell are you doing? No, it's starting to go round.
Don't make me look tall.
No? Oh, should I? I'm just gonna go up and down.
Still.
Okay, let's go. I've never done this before. Yes. If you're going to watch this, Rob, when you frontside handplant on Vert, put your hand on the coping. Then it will count. Okay? Have you ever dropped in with this? Shall I do it? I'm going to do it. So, I'm dropping in.
Welcome to SkateWine photography tips with Martin Tamblin.
Right.
What's your first tip for taking photos?
Whereabouts?
Get a camera.
That's a good tip. There we go. We'll leave it there. Whoop. Go on, George, have it. Woo! So Lola, British Ramps next weekend. How are you feeling?
Excited but nervous.
You're going to win?
I don't know.
You must say, yeah, I'm going to win.
Oh. No, because that's being cocky.
Oh, okay. Well, say, I hope to do well.
Where are you gonna
I hope to do well.
Where are you going to do that?
And maybe win.
Okay, cool.
I do want to win, but like...
Road to Tokyo.
Everyone wants...
Oh, Ross is back. Right, I'm going to say hello to Ross.
Oh, wait, I was going to do a YouTube video.
Go on then.
Okay, hi guys. Don't subscribe. Don't like the button. Don't do anything.
It's a bit nasty.
Today, I am with Rob Ayton. Schnaton.
Where are you going to do your
Where are you aiming that?
So, Rob Ayton.
You're doing well at this so far, yeah?
How long have you been skating for?
I've been skating for since I was 20. Since I was 11, 22
It
years.
reminds me of the chocolate
So I
block.
was 20.
Since I was 12. Sorry, did I say 20? Since I was 12.
Okay, that's cool. What do you love about
21
skating?
years. I can't do maths. Basic math. No, wait.
What do you love about skateboarding?
No, it is 12. Sorry. What do I like about skateboarding?
Yes.
It's creativity, freedom. It's good fun. I enjoy it. Everyone's welcome.
I've nicked his glasses, by the way. Who's your favourite skater?
My favourite skater is every skater that I skate with. That's it.
Okay.
Every skater.
Cool.
Every skater.
Next question is...
Can I go skating?
Yeah. Here you go.
Thank you. Thanks, Lola. Whoa. Whoa. Thanks, Lola.
It's got the forged hollows.
It's got the what?
It's got the forged hollows.
Forged hollow.
The hollow bit and stuff. They're the very finest.
These ones.
And look at that sticker.
No Ape Skates. No Ape Skate stickers, are they? I've still got some.
Yeah, that is one.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Ape Skates OG.
And then
Look at that.
there's a Skull8Wine.
Ape Skates OG. Oh, what a run.
What a run.
What a run.
Olympic winning
I missed all of it.
from veterans.
Oh, you're not filming? Fine.
Yo!
Right, slow
So
bit.
much.
A bit, yo.
So I don't want to be on
That's a
film.
bit too high, to be fair.
Yo! Yeah! Whee! Showing off now. Nice. So, I think we might have got a video blog there. I'm not too sure, but we will see. Try and put something together. I mean, if you got this far, it probably means I have put it together. And this is the end. So thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed it. Been a good day. Shout outs to the crew. The end.
Oh my god.
You know.